Hey guys, Joe here, and yeah, today a bit more casual than usually. We are still near Antalya, in a place called Waterfall, and yeah, over the last week or two there's been many things around Antalya that we're gone to, but we haven't made a video of, and so we figured that today we're just gonna tell you different stories of here and there that we have been doing lately. And the first one, before we get to the waterfall, is a story of when we saw the fire that never goes out. We saw the internal fire near Olympus Beach. Like many other touristic beaches on this region, it's mostly covered with umbrellas and beach chairs. A lot of beaches in here have those warning signs: no digging, no disturbing the turtles, no lights on the beach from 9:30 to 5:30 in the morning. It's nice to see that, because Turkey is unique in that way. A lot of loggerhead turtles, green turtles, come to nest in here, and we have to help the ones that can't help themselves in that way. We have finally reached a place where beach umbrellas end. What an amazing sight to see a clean, empty, okay, not empty, there's a lot of people, but to see a beach without umbrellas. So what happened over there, Mina?
Sorry, there was a big fish jumping out of that river right now. It was huge.
That really was a big fish. It jumped out 3 times. The town itself in here, it has a wonderful small town feeling. It has a lot of green, a lot of small restaurants have done unique things, like in here there's those fluff balls just hanging off a tree.
I think we're not the only ones who had that very special plant.
It's about 1 hour to sunset. A thunderstorm is coming. We can already feel the wind picking up, and we got a hike ahead of us. We have made it to Mount Chimera, and why this place is known is that on top of this mountain there are flames that have been burning for thousands of years. Probably a couple of myths have been born from this place just because of those fires. And what's happening over there is that it's a geoactive place, and from the ground methane raises and burns. So we're gonna head on top, and hopefully we'll get there before sunset.
From seeing it from afar, I can say that it's the best 2.5 euros we've spent.
It started raining on top of the fire mountain, and now there's a rainbow behind us. Just wow. What a magical place. Crazy. But since we already got up here, we had a plan. What do you do when there's a fire? Well, it really doesn't take a lot for happiness. Because you know, sometimes less is more. I guess cats are the best animals for this place. It's always warm in here. The adventure around Mount Chimera and Olympus, it was really cool. And of course the s'mores cooked by Mother Nature herself. Yeah, brilliant. But I think I can hear the waterfall now. It's not far anymore. But before we get to the waterfall over there, I'd actually like to tell you about another beach. And that one, it lies on the other side of Antalya, so on the eastern side, and it's called Manavgat. That was nice. And as soon as you walk down Manavgat beach, you see that there's something different. There's something that makes this beach so special. And if on Istusu beach or some other beaches we saw a few turtles nesting, then in here there's hundreds of loggerheads coming down. You can see the whole beach is full of the nesting sites. And honestly, we're so honored to be here at the same time that Thread the Globe with Chris and Marianne, their cooperation with Saher, building the Turtle Research Center. And we're here on a day when the building arrives, and it's just so fulfilling to see the happy faces and a dream come true.
Big day. It's a big day.
Good morning.
Running around with a knife.
Me and Mina are gonna have to leave Manavgat, and if you want to know how this story ends, make sure to check out Thread the Globe YouTube channel. It's their baby. Together with Saher, they're doing an amazing thing in here. Well, it was really cool to meet Chris and Marianne in Manavgat. see what they've been up to for the last 3-4 weeks, the effort they've put in to save the turtles over there, and just to spend time with someone who's doing the same thing that we are. They're also putting out 2 videos on YouTube every week and sharing knowledge, just sharing travel stories. Thank you for your time, guys, and it was really nice to meet you. Is it finally time for us to go and see the waterfall?
Yes, please.
Let's go. If you've ever seen any adventure movies, then you probably know that if you can walk behind the waterfall, then there's a treasure. It's not every day that you see such greenery in Turkey, especially in summer, because if we would go out of this forest and the tree cover, it will be 40 over there. Well, that was our little adventure for this time. We're all done with Antalya and everything surrounding Antalya now, and we're gonna go north. We're really hoping that going north into the mountains, the temperature will drop a little bit, because 40 in the daytime, 30 at nighttime, it is a lot. It really is a lot. But whatever happens, we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.